Once again, looking at Ethereum Classic, it's just showing massive strength versus Bitcoin. It had that first capitulation, but now it's going higher as Bitcoin's moving lower. Again, looking at the weekly chart, I still think that looks good. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But from flipping from red to green for the support band, last time that happened was November of 2020. So maybe even something like this. If next week is bullish, I think Ethereum Classic's going to blast out of here. So we got rejected at the 50 weekly moving average. Once again, pointing out monthly is about to flip. It's not green yet, but I think it's getting close. This thing's been green for the entire, basically the past year and a half. Actually, almost 2 years. Yeah, it is actually 2 years. Wow. Once you had that last capitulation in March, which is interesting because this is actually still moving higher. It looks like it's getting close to flipping red, which is why I think if this is going to be bullish, we kind of need to start being bullish now or by next week, basically. Or I would say at the end of April. If we're not moving up by the end of April, then Ethereum Classic is most likely going to flip red. But from our chart, I got rid of it because I was looking at it on my own last night. $36 is pretty much the line in the sand for that because you can see that there's so much support down at $36. The 618, the support band is there. Short term, I don't even see how I got this. Oh, I think I drew this actually. Yeah, you wicked through to 618, but you closed right on it. So this is a good sign, in my opinion. At least for Ethereum Classic. I don't know about for the rest of the market, but Ethereum Classic is holding up extremely well. So without yapping for too long, we can say below $40 sends us back down to most likely 36 for a potential double bottom. And obviously, if that was the bottom, you shouldn't come back down. Worst case scenario should be 41 for a move higher. And then we'll put a line here and say Ethereum Classic over 44.7 is extremely bullish because at that point, this wick would be even larger and it would just signal that Ethereum Classic is getting ready for a bull run. So I would say over 44.80 is extremely bullish for Ethereum Classic. A breakdown below 36 is not only bearish for Ethereum Classic, but it's extremely bearish for Bitcoin because at that point you'd have to drop 13%, and the fact that Bitcoin's dropping and Ethereum Classic isn't is a sign that in order for Ethereum Classic to drop back down here or below this even, Bitcoin would really have to start moving down. So short term, I would watch $40. As long as you're over that, it's still bullish in the short term, and then macro bullish kicks in over $44. Until that, I'm not going to bother drawing macro fibs because we are in a correction right now in the shorter time frame. So until we get out of here, I'm really not going to waste time looking at super targets if we're going down. So, but yeah, I would say over $44 Ethereum Classic, 44.70 Ethereum Classic is bullish. So that's pretty much it. Best of luck as always. None of this is financial advice, and you always have to do what's best for you.